Let's get to that final trade of the day with Mike Patton, the head trader at Thunder Trading. What is on your trade list today?
All right. So, hi, everyone. On my trade list today is Dutch Brothers Incorporated. The symbol is BROS, Bros. And this is a company that does restaurants and bars. They have about 22,000 employees. And right now, it looks like their stock is in a pretty good value point. It's currently trading around $34 a share. Looking at it, it does have a good growth in earnings. It's consistently been beating expectations every last 12 months. So that's a really good sign. And it looks like we have some good upside potential. Right now, I see at least $6 or $7 of upside potential, maybe even more, somewhere from $41 to maybe $48 a share in the next 6 months or so. Downside looks fairly limited. If it gets below, just looking at the charts here, if it gets below about $30 a share, I would say probably we want to cut loose on that one. But as of right now, it just came off of earnings. It had a decline at first, but it's been coming back since the market's been evaluating those results, and I think they feel more positively about it. So it would have been nicer to get it a little earlier, but we wanted to wait and see if it could gain some traction first, which it has. So that one looks like a pretty good opportunity. So again, somewhere between $41, maybe $48 a share, but if it gets down to about 30 or lower, I would say probably you should cut loose.
You did it again. You brought us a stock that has never been mentioned on our show. Is Dutch Brothers taking on Starbucks?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know that either, but I'm not very familiar with them, but they do like cafe stuff. So they have like so they're kind of like a cross between I'm trying to think of it. They're somewhat like a Starbucks in like some of their products, but they're also kind of like with the 7-Eleven, like they have like Slurpee like things. So they're right in between, which seems like a pretty good mix because they're hitting on a lot of things that people want to drink. I've never been to one, but I've heard of them, so I need to check them out. But their numbers look good, so it must be pretty good.
Perhaps one of our viewers can clue us in about that retailer. Thank you, Mike.
No problem.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.